Hi everyone, I'm here at the LB Foster site in Sheffield, where we're going to be finding out about a next generation friction modification technology that's going to deliver safer and more efficient rail operations in the future. John, just tell us a bit about what LB Foster does here at your Sheffield site.
Here at the Sheffield site, we mainly manufacture and produce some of our friction management products and some of our other trackside products.
Just tell us a little bit about how KELTRACK On-Board fits into that portfolio that you've just mentioned of the other products that you do here.
Traditionally, we've worked on trackside application of the KELTRACK product. So KELTRACK is our top of rail friction management product. So you apply it to the top of the rail to control the friction levels to give you a nice intermediate level of friction. The KELTRACK On-Board system is our new latest way of applying KELTRACK to the rail, and the idea being that by applying it from the vehicle, that will reduce people going out on track, make the systems easier to maintain, and improve the overall life cycle costs of applying KELTRACK to the rail. So for us at LB Foster, we see that as being the future product. It's moving away from the traditional trackside systems and moving things onto onboard where it's easier to maintain.
Thank you, John, for putting KELTRACK on board into the wider context of the work that LB Foster is doing here in Sheffield. And if you'd like to find out more about KELTRACK on board, then please do visit LB Foster's stand at the upcoming Innotrans trade show in Berlin in September, when they'll be in Hall 25. But for now, it's just time for me to thank the colleagues from LB Foster for hosting us this morning. Thank you very much, and goodbye.